Recently, Max and Min were at home eating lunch when Max suddenly had an interesting thought. "You know," said Max, "we always sit in the same place at the table when we eat. I always sit here, and you, Min, always sit on my right, and Dad and Mum always sit in the same place opposite us. It reminds me of the 2 and 3-digit numbers we studied in class yesterday. When you write down numbers, each place or position in the number has a certain value." "That's right," Min said, remembering. A 2-digit number has 2 numerals in it, such as 47 or 68. And a 3-digit number has 3 numerals in it, such as 454 or 297. The first digit from the right is in the units place or position. Units are the numbers from 0 to 9. "That's correct," agreed Max. "Then the second digit from the right is in the tens position. So it will have a value of 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90. "And the third digit from the right," said Min, "is in the hundreds position. So it will have a value of 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, or 900. Note that in this example, the numeral 4 in the units place has a value of 4, while the numeral 4 in the hundreds place has a value of 400. Max continued, "Yesterday, we used the 2-digit example of 37. The 7 is in the units position, so it has a value of 7 units. That is 7. The 3 is in the tens position, so it has a value of 3 tens, that is 30. So together, this 2-digit number has a value of 37. "Correct," said Min. And the 3-digit example was 608. The 8 is in the units position, so it has a value of 8 units, that is 8. The 0 is in the tens position, so it has a value of 0 or no tens, that is 0. The 6 is in the hundreds position, so it has a value of 600. So altogether, this 3-digit number has a value of 608. "So Min," added Max, "can you tell me the 6 numbers we can make with the digits 5, 3, and 8? "Sure," answered Min. "If we put the smallest digits in the hundreds and tens positions, that is 358, we get the smallest number. If we put the biggest digits in the hundreds and tens position, that is 853, we get the biggest number. The other 4 numbers will have values in between, that is 385, 538, 583, and 835. Now you can watch this video again to better understand place value in numbers, or try the quiz and look at the chart that comes with this video.